Today I'm going to show you how to create this glamorous and sexy black and silver graphic cut crease. It's perfect for New Year's Eve or any other special occasion. After priming and setting the eyes, I'm first sweeping a matte nude shade into and above the crease with a large fluffy brush. This is our transition shade. I list every product in the description box. Using a smaller, denser brush, I'm adding depth to the crease with a matte, fleshy brown. Blend everything together using the same fluffy brush used for the transition shade. Use a flat brush and some concealer to cut the crease. Occasionally I will look up, allowing the concealer to transfer, and use that as a guideline to see how far up I want to bring my cut crease. This method takes the cut crease a bit farther than my natural crease, making my eyes appear bigger. It also prevents any unwanted transferring later on, especially if you have hooded eyes. Before the concealer has a chance to crease, I'm setting it with a metallic silver. Begin your wing by following the angle of your lower lash line. Next, I'm bringing the eyeliner into the crease to begin the graphic effect, then connecting everything together. Don't worry about the bottom of your lines too much, because we're going to be covering up most of it. Finish off the eyeliner by lining the upper lash line as thin or thick as you prefer. Using a black eyeshadow, blend the eyeliner about halfway into the lid. You want to really pack it on in the outer corner, and then lightly drag it towards the center. Go back in with more silver to further blend out the gradient effect. Clean up any fallout, sharpen your wing, and apply your usual facial routine. Sweep the nude brown all along the lower lash line. Concentrating at the base of your lashes, apply the black. Blend the black into the nude brown using the darker, fleshy brown. Line the waterline with a black eyeliner. Brighten the brow bone and buff out any harsh edges with a light cream shade. Highlight the inner corner with a metallic white. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done! To add to the glam, today I'm using Ardell Magnetic Accent Lashes. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and have a happy new year!